Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be giving you guys some cleaning motivation. I don't know about y'all, but I love watching cleaning motivational videos, and I hope that I serve the purpose of motivating you to clean your home. First, I'm going to start off by folding these blankets. Now, I don't know why I'm folding these blankets because my children are going to just come right behind me and use these blankets again. But I just wanted to see my house clean, even if it's just for like 5 minutes or so.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way.
So now I'm going to start off by polishing my little entertainment center. It gets really dusty up here really fast. So I thought that maybe that I would, wipe it down and give it a little shine.
Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night, yeah. I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need.
Now I'm going to start off by cleaning underneath my table. This is an area where a lot of trash, a lot of food, a lot of toys, for some reason, hides underneath there. You can't see it. So I have to move it to see, if there's trash and stuff there, which there usually always is. So today I'm using my vacuum. I usually use my broom, but today I felt like that the vacuum would be a little bit better because it gets all the little bitty crumbs better than a broom can. So now I'm going to use my Windex spray, and I'm going to wipe off my bar stools. It gets really foggy right here, and a lot of fingerprints and stuff that goes right here. It just gets really, dirty and stuff. So I'm going to wipe it down with my Windex and make sure that it's real shiny and clean.
Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word.
Now moving on to my kitchen. This is the messiest area. I'm going to start off by, unloading my little dish rack. I had dishes from the previous night that were drying. So I'm going to, put that up. And then I'm going to unload my dishwasher. And I'm also going to add more dishes to my dishwasher because I have a little bit more dishes that are in the sink.
Think about you, if you think about me, are we thinking this through? If we not meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what shall we do? Didn't think you leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Are we we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition, but worthy or claim. With us nothing moves forward, it just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we would be together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you, think about me. Are we thinking this through? Even we know it to be, and you're doubting in me. Tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd live without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Think about me. Are we thinking this? Are we thinking this? Even we know it to be, giving up in me. Tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd live without a trace.
Now I'm going to be using some baking soda. I like to use baking soda every now and then to clean out my sink. I feel like that baking soda takes some of the stains out real good. So I'm using baking soda. I don't really like to use bleach like that. Like, I'll spray my Lysol spray and stuff like that, but I don't really like the smell of bleach. I only use bleach for my clothes, but I don't use bleach around my home. That smell just irks me. I'm sorry. I don't like the smell of bleach. I just don't. But I do find that baking soda does work really, really well. So you guys can try that if you have never tried baking soda.
Didn't think you'd live without a trace. Go find some courage and say it to my face. Think about me. Are we thinking this through? We know it to be. Are we thinking it? Tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd live without a trace. Some courage and say it to my face. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't deal and live my life. Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying.
Now I'm going to be cleaning my refrigerator with the stainless steel spray. So I'm going to clean my fridge with that, and I'm also going to clean my dishwasher and my stove. And I found out that this stuff works really, really good. I forgot the name of it, but I can put it in the description box below.
Trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
I want to share with you guys the reason why I'm doing this video. I'm doing this video because I suffer with anxiety and depression. I know some people are very ashamed to admit that, but I'm not ashamed of admitting my problems and stuff that I go through, because it's a life lesson. You know what I'm saying? I believe that we all go through things for a reason, and so I suffer with anxiety and depression, and I find that watching videos like clean with me's and stuff on YouTube would really help me and motivate me. I know there's plenty of times where I did not feel motivated. I did not want to get out of bed. I did not want to clean my home, and I have to do these things because I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I have a husband that needs me, I have children that needs me. So these videos really did help encourage me, besides, reading my Bible and stuff like that. That helps, and, praying. But these videos, used to help me and, motivate me. And so I thought, okay, well, maybe I can, motivate someone else. You know what I'm saying? So if you're out there and you suffer with, anxiety and depression, don't be ashamed. And don't be ashamed to seek help. I know a lot of people who are in the church and stuff, there are some churches that try to tell you, just depend on Jesus and stuff like that. Yes, depending on Jesus is good and stuff, but sometimes it's good to seek out, counseling, and seek out someone that'll sit there and, listen to your problem. And I found that counseling does help because, whenever you're suffering with anxiety and depression, you can feel alone. Like, I know how it feels. You can feel alone. So don't be ashamed to, seek out counseling, but also, pray and ask God, you know what I'm saying, to help you with this situation. I believe that we all go through things for a reason, and just trust God. Just trust God during this process. He's working it out for you good. I promise you.
About me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
So that is all for my cleaning video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I sure enjoyed it. I enjoyed filming it. I enjoyed editing it. This is my first Clean With Me video, and I will be having more videos. I will also be doing some makeovers in my home. I am a first-time homeowner, and I just purchased this home about a year ago, and we love it so much. So I will be changing up a few things. I will be doing my room, my bathroom. I will be painting my living room, and I will also, be redoing my children's room and stuff like that. So you guys please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will have more videos. I will also be doing a Christmas video. Well, a Christmas decorate with me video, which will be coming up about maybe next week or so. So you guys stick around and stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video again. Thanks for watching.